This model kit review is of the Yak-1, and this is a ski plane, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Accurate Miniatures, and gives some of the detail there, and that same picture. In the back here is a picture of the finished model with large amounts of weathering. Let's have a look inside here at the actual model. So first of all, here we have our canopy and instrument panel, which is clear, fair amount of detail there. So look at these other sprues here. Fairly well molded, fair amount of little details there. Part of our landing gear. Here's our other ski. And we have a loose piece already. And this is our fuselage, fairly well molded, lots of nice surface detail. Looks like our engine exhaust. Look at our spinner. Other side's also the same. And inside we've got minimal details there. Here's our propeller. We've got our stabilizers here, all well molded. Looks like part of our elevators here, sorry, our ailerons, and the top of the fuselage, and one random piece. So looking at our wings here, this is really well molded, good quality, very smooth. Got a lot of surface detail here. Looking at our wheel wells, we even have some detail there, as well as for our flaps. And on the other side here we have wheels. If you want to do it with wheels, probably the inside of the cockpit here, in terms of all those details. This is probably part of the cockpit. Here's our tail wheel if you're going to do it with wheels, and then bombs or tanks, and then different flaps, pylons, and then landing gear. Here are our decals. We've got some decals here, not a lot of detail. And let's take a look at our painting and decal guide. Sorry, this is our instruction guide first. And it's the Yak-1 on skis. We start off with the colors needed. Here's some of the details about the plane. And we have the details going in here for our cockpit. Fair amount of detail there. Here's the finished cockpit. Then we put together the fuselage with some of the bulkheads and other details there, and stabilizer goes on, as well as the cockpit going inside. Then wings go together, ailerons, and landing gear lights. We've got landing gear as well as skis, fuel tanks, then canopy, propeller, exhaust, and some of the other details, instructions. Here's our decal and painting guide. That's one version. We do also have this other version here. So all in all, very well molded model, lots of detail. Unfortunately, the decals aren't quite as good, but should be a really good build.